Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, I'm Zubair Ahmad, your lecturer at Najamagir. Life inevitably presents moments of hardship, times of fear, loss, uncertainty, or emotional pain. Islam does not deny these realities. Rather, it provides a spiritual, powerful anchor to face them with strength, patience, and unwavering trust in Allah. This application is among the most powerful, profound expressions of Tawakkul. The dua is HasbiAllahu wa ni'mal Wakeel. Allah is sufficient for us, and He is the best disposer of affairs. This dua is a declaration of absolute trust. By saying it, a believer affirms that Allah alone is enough to handle every problem. No matter how overwhelming the difficulty appears, Allah's help is greater. All outcomes, seen and unseen, are entrusted to the wisdom of Allah. It shifts the heart from anxiety to serenity and from fear to faith. This powerful praise was recited by prophets and righteous believers in moments of extreme trial. It was famously uttered by Prophet Ibrahim when he was thrown into the fire, and Allah made the fire cool and safe for him. It was also recited by the companion of Prophet Muhammad when they were threatened by their enemies, and Allah granted them victory and peace. Allah mentions this state of trust in the Holy Qur'an, describing believers who entirely trusted upon Allah, who relied entirely upon Him, and were never disappointed. The virtue and spiritual impact of this dua. Number 1, relief of the heart. This dua brings immediately calm to the soul that Allah is in control. Number 2, it strengthens tawakkul. It trains a believer to rely on Allah rather than panic over circumstances. Number 3, divine assistance. Allah promises help, ease, and reward for those who turn to Him sincerely. Number 4, elevation in rank. Every hardship with patience and trust raises one's spiritual status. The Prophet ﷺ taught that no hardship befalls a believer except that Allah expiates sins and increases reward through it. How and when to recite this dua? During personal crisis, financial stress, illness, or emotional pain, when facing injustice, fear, or uncertainty, and after hearing distressing news, in moments when solution seems out of reach. It can be recited silently or aloud, repeatedly, with reflection and sincerity. This dua reminds us that human strength is limited, but Allah's power is limitless. While a believer continues to make effort and take lawful means, the heart remains attached to Allah alone. True peace does not come from circumstances changing. It comes from trusting the One who controls all circumstances. In essence, HasbiAllahu wa ni'mal Wakeel is not merely a sentence. It is a mindset of faith, resilience, and surrender. Who adopt it sincerely will never be left without guidance, support, or divine wisdom, whether through ease, patience, or reward in the hereafter. Jazakallahu khaira for listening and watching. Ma'as salam.